Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video, we discuss the ninth chapter of the novel Inside the Haveli written by Rama Mehta, and this ninth chapter is of section first. In this chapter, we are told that Lakshmi, one of the maid servant of the Haveli, has ran away from the Haveli and she has left her daughter Sita behind. Sita is a little child and she weeps because she has not been fed. Ganga, yet another maid servant of the Haveli, takes that little girl Sita to Gokul Singh Ji's daughter and asks her to feed the baby and to look after the baby as her mother is missing. So Gokul Ji's daughter takes care of it. Then the Parijiji comes to know about the Lakshmi's running away from the Haveli, and Parijiji says that it is she who is responsible in order to compel her to run away from Haveli because she was taking extra work from her. Parijiji sobs and starts shedding tears. But when Kamarnisa, the mistress of the Haveli, looks at Parijiji, then she says that Parijiji, you should not be worried about the running away of Lakshmi. And the maid servant should think that Lakshmi is no more for them. But Khyali comes and he says that it is the male who helps whenever there is a trouble. So Khyali says that there should be a search for the maid servant of the Haveli who has ran away. Then Parijiji and Khyali make a plan to make a search, but meanwhile Kamarnisa says that one of an old aunt of Lakshmi lives in the servants' quarter that are quite close to his brother's Haveli near Surajpal. So there should be a search made for the ran away maid servant of the Haveli. Khyali and Parijiji disappear from the back gate of the Haveli. As soon as they start going, one of the fellow who is well known to Khyali shouts from a distance that where Khyali is going and is everything is right in the Haveli. Khyali replies him that everything is right in the Haveli. He is going for some important mission. They proceed further and Parijiji follows the quick steps taken by Khyali. Then Khyali reaches Hathipal gate and then he takes a turn in a narrow street and tries to find out where the maid servant who was working in the Haveli of Kamarnisa's brother lives, and then they reach over there and ask about Lakshmi's coming over there, and then that lady replies that Lakshmi did come in the dead hour of the night and said that one of her relatives is ill, so she would be taking a bus from her quarter in order to reach over there. But when she got up, Lakshmi was not there. She had already ran away from her place and she didn't have the morning tea. Then Khyali and Parijiji, as they have thought earlier, would be going to Arjun Bhopa. So they take their steps in order to reach Arjun Bhopa. Meanwhile, they come to the narrow streets where there are so many buffaloes and cows tied at the small courtyards of those huts made of mud. All the entire atmosphere is stinking with the urine of cows and buffaloes, and there is a foul smell of cow dung. Then they proceed further and reach the small hut of Arjun Bhopa. Arjun Bhopa was sitting over there on his haunches and smoking his hookah. The moment he saw Khyali, then he said that there is something wrong in the Haveli that he can understand, and then Khyali tells him that one of their maid servant Lakshmi has ran away from the Haveli, and where is she to be located at. Then Khyali takes a 5 rupee note, puts the 5 rupee note at his feet, and then Arjun Bhopa thinks of a god who could descend down on his body and then answer the question that Khyali was going to impose on him. He is a man of black color, and then his hair is in form of matted locks. He closes his eyes and then starts his hands and legs moving in different directions, and then he trembles his body, his face becomes almost red, then his eyes are dilated, they are just like two little balls of fire, and that was the time to pose the question. And when the question is posed, then Arjun Bhopa replies that Lakshmi is there in a room that is without windows, the room is dark, and then Khyali again wants to know where the room is, and then Arjun Bhopa tells him that the room is just by the side of Jagdish temple, and then Parijiji and Khyali leaves in order to find that place, and then they come to know that the maid servant Lakshmi has come to that area through a known person who knows Khyali and tells him that Lakshmi has been seen entering the shopkeeper who is known by the name Hari Panwala. So they go to the house of Hari Panwala and ask him if one of their maid servant has come over there. Hari Panwala says that he has 2 rooms in order to place them on rent, and by the income of the rent he runs his family of 8 children and his wife, and he does not know the lady who has hired the room today itself. So that lady is called, and that lady is none else but Lakshmi. And when Lakshmi sees to Khyali and Parijiji, she says that she is not going to come to the Haveli. Once again, Parijiji makes a request to her and tells her that Gangaram is her husband, and the husbands, they can be strict with their wives, and if needed be, the husbands can beat their wives, and there is nothing wrong if she has ran away, she would be accepted in the Haveli, but she should be ready to visit the Haveli. Then Lakshmi replies that she is not going to come to the Haveli again to be taunted at by the children and also by the other maid servants, and it is not she who is a characterless lady, but it is her husband who speaks ill of her, and the main rascal is Hiralal, who brought various gifts which she didn't like at all. She is true to her character, and if they do not go, then she is going to slam the door shut on their faces. And then Parijiji again requests her, telling her that her little child will die of starvation, and Lakshmi says that let her die of starvation, but she is not going to change her decision at all, and she closes the door. Parijiji and Khyali, they come back and then they enter the Haveli. Then Khyali's face is depressed and he is not in a mood to talk to the mistress of the Haveli. Mistress of the Haveli asks Khyali and Parijiji what has been there as a search of Lakshmi. Then they report that they could trace Lakshmi, but Lakshmi is not ready to come back to the Haveli as a devil has entered her mind. And then Khyali and Parijiji make a plan to think of what should be done at the end regarding Lakshmi's decision. We shall be taking the next chapter in our next video class.